Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. And first of all, I really like to thank you guys who have been supporting this channel. Like guys, I really want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. And to those of you who are new and you like what you see, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And in today's video we're actually making a wig. Like guys, this is my first wig like ever. This wig literally made me like the happiest woman alive. First of all, it was the price like 160 rand, and I was like, what? And I really like the hair. And please, if you like what you see, if you like what you see, you like the wig, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so the cap that I'm going to be using is this mesh cap that I got from Rough Cosmetics in Hebrew, Johannesburg. It has like some sort of a lace here in front. So this is the cap that I'll be using. Then I have thread. I'm going to be using this tiny crochet. I also got these two things at Rough Cosmetics. And the hair that I'm going to be using is this Brazilian bangle hair. It says it's 100% human hair quality, tangle free, and I believe this is just an imitation of the raw Brazilian hair. But guys, like, the quality is really amazing. Okay guys, so first of all, the pack has like 8 bangles, which is 4 pieces of 8-inch and 2 pieces of 10-inch and 2 pieces of 12-inch. And I suppose this 12-inch is supposed to come in front. This one, it follows from the back immediately after 8-inch. Like, it feels like real hair, It doesn't look like that what do they call it? It doesn't look like that synthetic plastic, you know. This part is the one that you're going to attach to the lace, and this part right here is the one that comes on top. And you don't have to use a crochet for this wig. Like, you can use a needle, but I didn't have a needle. Like, have you ever seen a woman without a needle at home? Yeah, I didn't have a needle, so that's why I'm going to use a hook. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and hook the threadish. I've got eye problem and this hook is so small and my latch is closed. So right now I'm going to pull it like so. And now I'm going to go in and pull this thread in between the loop. This is what I do. Like, then I take the needle, because I must make sure that this place is secured down, guys. Like, the needle goes through the cape, and then I twist this thread. Oh my god, you guys can't see. And then I twist. Okay, camera, you have to go back a little. Then I have to twist this thread. Like, it's actually long. And then the needle goes through the thread. You twist it like this, and then the needle will have to go through the thread. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing over and over again. The needle goes through the hair, and then the cap, then the thread, crisscross, ta-dam, ta-dam, ta-dam. And then the needle goes in, and then you pull and secure. So guys, this is how the whole thing looks like. So right now I'm going to go ahead and apply this 10-inch and curve in, and apply the 10-inch and curve in until I get to a certain point where right now I would like to apply the 12-inch. So here on top, I don't want it to be too bushy. I don't want too much volume here because I want this wig to look as natural as possible. So that's why I'm leaving gaps like this. I don't want the wig to look like a wig, okay? So right now what I'm doing is I'm attaching the two hair. You know, I just folded it like you can see here. There's a loop, so I just folded the hair, guys. Like I tried to crochet, but after cutting this 12-inch, you know, I'm working with 6-inch and the hair is not even even, so it's way difficult, plus my crochet dropped, so I just had to leave that for the other day. Yeah, my shade is going to look like something like so. Like so as you can see, this is how I've closed that line shade. I just confused the hair and everything is just crisscross. The shade is supposed to be here. So right now I'm actually done, and this is how my hair will be like under the wig. And I've already like moisturized my scalp, and never wear a wig like on a dry scalp. Moisturize your scalp, moisturize your edges. And I just want to show you guys the two things that I'm going to use. It's actually three, because I'm going to use like a toothbrush to lay down the edges, and this is the cap that I'm going to wear underneath. And I've actually given it like 4 splits just to avoid it being tight and getting a headache and all that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to be using this Super Ducks Black Freeze Gel. This is the gel that I'm going to be using to lay down my edges. Like guys, this gel, it doesn't flake. like they say themselves, they say that this gel doesn't flake, and for sure the gel doesn't flake. And out of 10 I'll give it a 9 because the bottle is way too small. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go ahead and wear my wig off camera because my son is troubling me right now. Okay guys, and we're finally done, and this is the final look, and I'm really loving the look, guys. Like this hair, 160, girl, it is giving me a form. And guys, I'll let you know in the comment section after 1 month how the hair is and all that kind of stuff. But like right now for 160, I'm a happy woman. I am very happy. Okay, these are the sides. There we go, girl. You go, girl. Like right now I am a happy woman. Okay, I'm very happy.